You make me look short. Oh, that's better.
I forgot what I was going to say. We're really excited to get our hands on the new Moustache X2 trekking tandem. And in this video, we're going to unbox it. We'll give it a quick spin around Guildford and then we'll tell you what we think.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms and lets you find more useful videos like this. See you in a bit.
So first impressions were this bike is a lot of fun. That's kind of what we were expecting, but there is definitely a practical side to it as well. What was your first impression of being on the back, Matt?
I was quite impressed. Obviously I had the camera in one hand and holding on by the other. And yeah, surprisingly stable. The suspension seat post helped a lot, I think, take up any impact. But yeah, no, it's really, really comfortable.
And from a balance point of view, I didn't find any problems actually turning corners and manoeuvring. It was surprisingly easy to ride.
Yeah, it felt like that as a passenger as well. You kind of just go with the sort of the flow, I guess, in front.
Yeah. So the captain on the front is in charge of the gears and the steering, and the stoker on the back, in this case, was also the cameraman, so he was busy doing that. But you are pedalling together, so your pedal strokes are both going to be coordinated all the time. So that takes a little bit of getting used to. Not only was it very easy to ride with the fantastic Bosch system on there, it felt very solid, very stiff and very stable, I thought, on the front.
Yeah.
And actually really nice to ride. I mean, it was very pleasant. We have realised that actually there are some really, potentially really good practical sides to it as well. So if you were needing to pick somebody up, it's really easy to ride on your own, so you could actually ride it to them and bring them home. If you were going on a longer ride or a holiday with somebody with a different ability to yours, perhaps less strength or less experience, perhaps less balance. And the nice thing would be that you're always together, you won't have one left behind, you can chat all the way.
Yeah.
And actually that would be really enjoyable, I think. So
I guess it's a good thing if you've got a more confident rider out in front and someone who's not so confident on the roads. You learn a lot from the person in front. When Chris was cycling, you could sort of see what gear he's in, how he's sort of preparing for the hills and stuff. So for the person behind, I think you can learn quite a lot from having someone more experienced maybe out in front. It's quite a good thing, I think.
And I think the Bosch system makes such a huge difference. Having two people powering the bike obviously helps, but the backup and support and the natural assistance of the Bosch motor just makes it feel not only so much easier, but it takes the strain and the effort out and replaces that with kind of fun and enjoyment.
Yeah.
So that's a really nice feeling.
Yeah.
Definite thumbs up for the new Moustache X2 trekking tandem. Come and have a go, see what you think. It's two bikes for the price of one.
That'll do.